people from the earth. We are now in the secret laboratory. We supply bombs and bomblets. Safety is our number one priority. So, let's get started.
For today is chemical bonding. Yes, it's correct what you heard. Chemical bonding. The sharing or the complete transfer of electrons causes an atom to have the same electronic configuration as that of the nearest noble or inert gas. The sharing or the complete transfer indicates that the atom has attained stability. Either the sharing or the complete transfer of electrons leads to the formation of compound.
Okay, thank you, Charles and Joey. Now it's my turn to show or share my knowledge. To further know more about chemical bonding, I'll tell you more about this. Chemical bonding is the bonding of chemicals. Yes. Going through this module will make you understand what is happening in the atoms during the formation of compounds. Look at the periodic table. Do you notice the vertical arrangement of the elements? This is called family or group. Notice the number in each group. Do you know what information it gives you? It tells you the number of valence electrons. Do you still remember the meaning of valence electrons? Probably not. Valence electrons gives you the number of electrons at the outermost energy level of the atom. This is the information you need to know in order for you to determine whether the atoms transfer, accept, or share electrons to become stable. Why do we need to talk about the transfer or sharing of the electrons? It's part of our lecture. You will discover the answer to this question as you study this module. Okay, so I'll give some surprise for you to further understand. Okay, for some additional entertainment in this boring video, I'm going to make a simple experiment, a candle explosion experiment. Okay, so we're going to need 2 rocks and a piece of candle, cutters, my favorite, some safety matches for source of fire, and some small metal cup. Oh, also we're going to need water. Thank you, Charles. And now let's get started. Okay, so I made this setup so that we can start. So what I do is I placed wax, yes, paraffin wax with candle and let it boil and see what happens when I mix it with water. Okay, that's what you call when you mix wax with water, hot wax actually. Okay, so what happened is actually a smaller version of it. So, because if you will put too much wax, it will cause a big explosion, big actually. So I'll make another. This is the second setup. I am currently heating the paraffin wax till it causes fire on top of it. So why am I heating? So it will reach its boiling point and eventually causes flame. Now, if we will clearly show it again to you, get water, only small amount, because if you put large amount, you will die. So that's the actual explosion. Okay, not actually the actual, because you usually use it in various points. So see. Okay, so let me explain what just happened. Joey, steady mo camera. Now, I can sit down once again. Well, what is the connection of the experiment to chemical bonding? In the experiment, we mix hot paraffin wax and water, causing a small explosion. We know that the hotter an object is, the faster its molecules move. And that's it. The atoms in the water, which is hydrogen and oxygen, shared electrons to the paraffin wax to make it stable. However, the additional explosion is due to the evaporation of the water, bringing fire with it. And that's the causes of the explosion. Now, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I guess I can go now.
Camera rolling.
Charles! Ako na lang ito. Ito,
sige, sige,
ito, ito.
Camera rolling gumagano ng camera.
Wala pa.
Welcome so. Sige, matawa siya. Wala
Okay.
na.
Sorry.
Si Rolens kasi. O yan, ginagawa.
Nalas na to.
Huwag ka ano, nakakatawa ka. Dahil mo.
Okay na.
Umawas na ako.
Upo.
Ako na namamatay di. Nandiyan na may red na nga. Na!
Ulitin ba?
Wait.